working out what calms and what stimulates your child. So everyone's kind of sensory diet is different. Thinking about sensory sensitivities, it might be, are clothes comfy? Even things like, has the brand of washing powder changed? Has the fabric softener changed? And has the manufacturer of the fabric softener changed the formula without anyone knowing? So sometimes something that simple, for someone who's very tuned in to their sensory world, that might be enough to kind of make them feel uncomfortable. So kind of thinking about all sorts of factors. Light levels, does your child like it dark, pitch dark? Do they like a little bit of light? Sound levels, do they like silence? Is that realistic? Is it possible to achieve that? If not, then you could have music that plays throughout the night quietly, if they like that, relaxing music. We found white noise, which is full spectrum noise, can be really good. And more recently, they found that pink noise, which just takes a little bit of the sort of treble end of the sound out. So it's still a sort of sound, but without the really high pitch, seems to kind of promote sleep. And they think maybe it sounds a bit like rain, and maybe from an evolutionary point of view, it was good. If it's raining, we just get some kip instead. Scents. So essential oils might be helpful. They found lavender and bergamot can sometimes promote more deep sleep stages on a sleep study. Massage and swinging or rocking. And again, with those, we'd always recommend your child goes to bed sleepy, but not asleep. So if the child's asleep and then placed in bed, it's likely that when they wake up, it'll be a different situation to when they went to sleep. So trying to make it so they fall asleep in their bed is likely to be helpful. And then, daytime sun exposure, and then a difference at night. So less light in the day and the night. And that again sends that message to the brain, to the body, to be asleep.